a good boy? Yeah? Are you a good boy? Yeah? Let's find some more. Yeah. Are you a good boy? Yeah? Let's go to him. Are you a boy? Yeah?
Make sure he waits for you to ask the question before he answers. Now he just knows if he bobs his head, he's going to get a treat. See, look at him.
No. No.
Now they're head banging.
No. No. Are you a good boy, Questy? Are you a good boy? Yeah. There. Do you want a treat? Do you want a cookie? Do you want a treat? Yeah? Want a treat? Can you give me a yes? Can you nod your head?
Ask him if he's a good boy.
Are you a good boy? Cookie. Yeah?
Okay, no more because Quest is getting pushy now.
And those are the well-mannered boys. Those are my well-mannered horses.
Who are they?
That one's Slick,
What color is he?
and he's Chestnut. And that one's Quest, and he's black and brown. Don't get pushy with me. Are you pushy? Yeah. You're pushy. You're pushy. You're my pushy boy. Are you pushy too? Are you pushy? Yeah? Are you pushy? Are you gonna answer me? Got your lip. I'm gonna get your lip. I got your lip. I got your bottom lip. Oh, them. And then over there is Fancy and she's 19. And he is brown and she's Mama. And she doesn't know how to say yet.
Whose mama is she?
She is Quest's Mama. Rick was adopted. And those are my aunt's horsies.